Welcome, fellow travelers and history enthusiasts, to the enchanting world of Pakistan's UNESCO site. Prepare to be mesmerized as we embark on a journey through time, exploring the magic and mysteries of this extraordinary place. But what makes this site truly special? It's not just its architectural marvels or its breathtaking vistas. It's the stories etched in its stones, the traditions passed down through generations, and the heartbeat of a nation that resonates here. This site isn't just a destination. It's a bridge connecting people from all corners of the world, celebrating unity and diversity. Witness the magic for yourself. Join the countless adventurers captivated by this UNESCO site, and experience the enchantment that leaves a lasting mark on your heart. Are you ready to discover the magic of Pakistan's UNESCO site? Get ready to be inspired, awed, and enchanted. Hit that like button, share this